Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to recover your Facetune account. For that, just go and open your app and now tap on this gear button, that's our setting, and after that tap on sign in button. Then you'll have to continue with this one, email, not with your platforms, because you need a verification code. Simply enter your email address over here and tap on forgot password. That will be in this area, but in my case there is send code, so I'll just simply tap on that, and then I'll get logged in to this app with that code. Let me just get that code, and if you do not have this option, you'll get forgot password option. Just tap on that and it will ask you to enter your email ID. Then enter your email ID there and they will send you a verification code on your Gmail. Just paste that there and you'll get to reset your password, and that is how you can recover your Facetune account. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.